Hi everyone, I hope everyone is staying happy and healthy during these times. I decided to develop this challenging workout that targets whole body strength, cardio, and muscle explosiveness. So this workout is tailored towards figure skaters and other athletes who require explosive strength, but it is an awesome challenge for anyone looking to get more toned. So let's get started. So today we have 14 exercises, 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off. Let's do it. Let's begin with narrow to wide high knees to warm up. You want to put your arms in place in front of you and make your knees touch your hands every time. The reason why we want to do wide high knees as well is to warm up the inner thigh muscles, because for figure skaters, we need these muscles warm to be able to do moves that require flexibility and explosiveness. Now, find a coffee table or bench at home. If you don't have one that supports your weight safely, you can do tricep dips on a mat in a crab pose. Hold on and dip your triceps until there is a 90-degree angle. The further out you walk your legs, the more challenging it will be. Make sure your elbows stay close to your body, touching your sides. Even though mostly in jumping and figure skating should come from the legs, proper form in the arms is important as well. For example, the axle jump requires the driving force of the triceps back in proper form in the moment of takeoff to generate rotational force. Next, we have cross-legged verticals. Jump up, and when you're in the air, cross your left ankles over your right and pull your arms in front of you tightly. In this split movement, your whole body should be engaged. Your arms, core, and legs to keep your body in air rotation position. Make sure when you jump, you straighten your legs and don't tuck your knees. This is a great way for skaters to practice the air rotation position, but a great exercise for everyone to engage all muscles and get that heart rate up. Now let's get into some knee up to step backs. Step back the left leg and then swing and hike that same leg up. For skaters, make sure you really reach back your back leg, as well as reach forward your arms while keeping your upper body upright. You should feel like your body is an elastic band, and when you hike up, you draw all of that energy inwards towards your body. Make sure your arms draw in crossed and tight with resistance. This helps train for proper form in the lutz and flip jumps. Now we're going to repeat this on the other side. The same concept applies for this side, and this side helps with proper form in the toe loop jump. Now let's bring back the table. Let's do tricep dips again, except this time with one leg out. This works your quads as well as it helps skaters get lower into the sit spin position. Then extend the other leg out and repeat on the other side. Make sure you point the toes of your extended leg. Next, we have tuck jump to split jumps. Jump high and tuck your knees in, and then jump out into a split jump. Try to do this consecutively to train your muscles to become more explosive, but modification for beginners, you can do a small hop in between the jumps. My middle splits are terrible because I'm not the most flexible in that area, but even if you aren't, try to jump with your legs outward in a star position, or modification, you can just do the tuck jumps. This is a great way for training split jumps on the ice. If you need to stop for a quick break, jog in place for active rest, but challenge yourself to not stop for the entire 40 seconds. Next, we have plank dips to work the obliques. As skaters, our obliques are super engaged all the time, whether it is leaning into the circle for crossovers, turns, and launching into air position for jumps. Straightening the sides of our abdominal muscles is key. In general, this is great for anyone who wants that 11-like ab definition. Then we work our obliques even more. Let's go into side plank reach unders. Get on your elbows into side plank and then reach under and extend upwards again. Really engage your core and reach under and use your abs to hold you up. Now let's flip over on our mat and repeat on the other side. Next, let's work our arms, shoulders, and upper back with row backs. This helps simulate the resistance pull-in that skaters have to do in pulling in for spins and into jumps. Reach forward straight and row back with your elbows close to the body and squeeze your upper back muscles every time you pull back. I just have some 10-pound plates with me, but if you don't have them, feel free to do without, or I challenge you to get creative with textbooks, water jugs, etc. Lastly, we have our landing position glute raises. Bend your right knee and extend your left leg behind and out to the side. Your left hand should be in front around 1 o'clock and right hand out to the side at about 3 o'clock. Keep your chin lifted and turn your head to turn and look to the right around 2 o'clock. To your non-figure skating friends, this is how figure skaters land their jumps if you're curious. Then, in this position, pulse your extended leg. You should really feel your glutes engaged in this one. Make sure your upper body maintains an upright position and that you don't lean forwards. Then repeat on the other side. Mirror your posture to check your landing on the other side. Keep your landing knee bent and your free leg straight. Point your toes on your extended leg to practice for a more beautiful landing position. Good workout, guys. I hope this workout was very challenging yet rewarding. So do this workout for 3 times. So repeat this video 3 times a day and try to do it for a whole week straight and see how your body feels. And I promise that you will feel a lot more toned and lean and just overall feeling fit during these times, because it's so important to stay healthy and fit and have a really boosted immune system during these times. So hope everyone is doing well and see you guys next time.